Handstand, wall facing, shrugs. If you're a gymnastic skill seeker who wants to learn to handstand, then wall facing handstand shrugs will be helpful. We find handstand shrugs very useful for people who have good shoulder flexion but lack shoulder strength. Start by walking the feet up the wall so the hands are roughly one hand length away from the wall. You want the hands to be shoulder width apart and the index fingers to be pointing forward. Once the hands are in place, set a strong posterior pelvic tilt, PPT, by tucking your tailbone between your legs and contracting your glutes. Push the inside edge of the feet together, contract the quads to lock the knees, pull the ribcage down and suck your belly button in towards your spine. All of this allows you to create a nice hollow body handstand. During this exercise, it's essential to keep the elbows locked to isolate the shoulders. We are aiming to increase shoulder elevation strength. It can be helpful to contract the triceps for the entire set. Allow the shoulders to relax as you sink the head down towards the floor. Notice that the space between the shoulders and the ears becomes greater. Next, push down into the floor and elevate the shoulders as much as possible. Notice that the space between the shoulders and the ears becomes less. As you elevate the shoulders, you also want to externally rotate the shoulders by twisting your hands into the floor towards the pinky fingers. It's best to hold the elevation for 3 to 5 seconds before relaxing the shoulders and sinking the head back down towards the floor. Try to keep the movement as vertical as possible by not arching the back or leaning away from the wall as you sink down. Handstand shrugs can be performed for repetitions, isometric holds, or a combination of the two. Give it a try and leave a comment if you have any questions or feedback. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.